up? It's Dragon and Zooming with DragonPhysique.com, Blackstone Labs, and Universe 7 crew. Today I got my brother from Universe 7 here to teach you the baby freeze.
Hey guys, how's it going? Grzlla here with Universe 7 crew, Dynamic Rockers, Battle Instincts. I'm here to teach you guys how to baby, turtle, table, what you want to call it freeze, because I know there's so many ways to do it out there. So basically what we're doing, I call it turtle freeze personally, is we're going to teach you how to keep this position on the floor. And this is going to chain you into so many different moves, like the windmill, turtles, jackhammers, like the beginner floats basically. So just to show you what I'm talking about, I'm going to demonstrate right now. And this right here is the turtle freeze that I'm talking about. So going into how to get into the move, we're going to bring it down to the floor so we go into it easily. You don't want to start up too high since this move is going to be close to the floor. You want to start off going into it slowly, softly, and nicely. You don't want to hurt yourself. So as I said before, I am a right-handed person. So I'll take my right elbow, bring it in as close as I can to my belly button, comfortably as well. Bring it in comfortably so that way when you go into it, you're not hurting yourself and controlling your body. Your left hand is going to come up like this. So this is what you're doing on the floor. This one is holding all your weight, and this one is helping you balance. So when we go into this, your left hand is going to come down, just to help you securely come down into it. Bring your right hand, in my case my right hand, bring your dominant hand onto the floor and slowly just lower yourself onto it. Your weight will be on that hand. And keep in mind, you don't want your arm to do this or to go like this. That just simply means that you're putting too much weight on one side or the other and your arm isn't securing your body weight. Some of you guys may have a little problem executing this move, and what I mean is your legs will not come off the floor once you are in position. To help you guys with this, just try to bring all your body weight towards the front a little bit, and slowly bring the legs up. You can actually do one leg at a time as well, and it'll help you. So, try to do one leg at a time. Once you got both those legs up there, scrunching your legs in, kind of like in a fetal position, will also help keep your center of weight right there on the arm. So like so. And so I really hope that this video was of much help to y'all. Keep practicing because that's the only way to master these moves, and remember to stretch and warm up to prevent injuries. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button down below, and thank you for watching. Time, dedication, motivation, how does that make sense? Motivation, dedication, motivation, sacrifice.
Sacrifice your mother.
Sacrifice. Ritual sacrifices are really good when you're trying to learn how to be boy.
You need blood.